guys, and welcome back to my video. So today we're going to be unboxing the December BoxyLuxe box, which I'm always super excited to get. So let's go ahead and get right into it because this video is going to be a long one and I don't want to be wasting your time. So the first item I have here is the Rose Gold Complete Face Blush set from Luxie. I actually forgot to use this in a demo. I did some pictures, so I'll show you what all the brushes look like, but I definitely forgot to use this in a demo. So you end up getting 8 brushes, which is absolutely amazing. And if you've ever used Luxie brushes, you know that you're getting really good quality brushes. So I'm super excited to have gotten this. And the packaging that it comes in is really nice. So if it's something that you already have in your collection, it's an easy way to give away a gift because it's packaged so beautifully. The Luxie brushes are a value of they're $65. I had no idea they were going to be that expensive, but again, like I said, I'm very excited to get them, and I'm always happy to get brushes when it comes to these boxes, and this brush set is absolutely amazing, and I'm happy to have gotten it. The next product I ended up getting is a Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. This is what I have on right now, so the shine that I got going on my lips is from Tarte. I also have Velvet Teddy from MAC under it. It has like a rose gold to it, plus the glitter that's in it. Super flattering, I think, for every skin tone. So I'm really excited to have gotten this one. This one is a value of $20, which again is another awesome price. I don't normally buy a lot of lip glosses, but they're now in trend, so it's always nice to stay on trend and get things in boxes that you may be able to use, and this is a really nice lip gloss. All right, the next thing I got in the box was a Violet Voss Pro HD palette. This includes 20 high pigmented eyeshadow shades, and it says from matte to bold metallics and silky satin. This is a vegan cruelty-free formula with finely milled pigments, making for a smooth application and easy to build. And I absolutely agree. This is a really, really nice palette. This is the first time that I've used Violet Voss. I was really excited to see that this was going to be in the box, and when they announced it on BoxyCharm, I was like, yes, I've never picked up any of Violet Voss's eyeshadows, so I figured this was going to be a good way for me to give it a try, and I'm super impressed with these shadows. I think they blend so nicely. So you'll be able to see that I used like some of the reds and the pinks in here, and then in today's look I used some of the browns, and then I ended up using hashtag all over the lid. So I think these eyeshadows blend really, really nicely. I think this is a perfect addition to this box, and I'm so happy that they sent it out with this particular box. So this palette is a value of $45, which I would pay the $45 for this palette, and I'm going to start looking into some of Violet Voss's shadows because I think that these shadows are super, super nice, and I was highly impressed with them using them in the last couple of days. So the next item I got is a sponge gel body wash infused puff. So it's this here. This is a sponge body wash infused with cleansing, exfoliating, massage, dermatologist tested, and it has a bunch of really nice ingredients to nourish your body and exfoliate your body. So I've never actually tried one of these before, so I'm super excited to give this a try. Let me know if you have tried any of these before. I've always seen them, I've never picked them up. I don't know, if they're worth the money. Kind of just leave them in your shower, and your shower is always wet, so I don't know how this actually works, but I'm gonna definitely give it a try. I do have sensitive skin, so I'm kind of nervous. So let me know down below if this is something that you have given a try and you have sensitive skin. Let me know how it worked out for you. This is a $20 value, so again, I'm really excited to give this a try, and hopefully it works out for me. We'll see what it actually does. The next thing I have is from Elements. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Just a face cream, it looks like. It says it reduces wrinkles. So this is supposed to help you with anti-aging, leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. I love all those, so hopefully this will work out for me. I'm excited to give this a try and see if it does all the things that it says it's gonna do. All right, so this is an $89 value, so again, I'm super excited to give this a try. In the last BoxyLuxe, they sent something that was like a $79 value for your skin, and I haven't given that a try yet, but I can start trying new stuff now, so I'm excited to give this a try, and I'll probably add that other one in as well to see how they work together. The next thing I have is from Wonder Beauty. It is the Dusk to Dawn Blush, Highlight, and Palette Set. This is actually a really pretty set. I used it today. I used it a couple of days ago, and it's actually really nice. The highlight that I have on right now and the blush that I have on right now is from this. And so I ended up using the darker color, which was Havana Nights today, and then I used City Lights for the highlight. So Havana Nights is going to be this darker one, and City Lights is going to be just the highlighter there. And I did use Tuscan Sunset a couple of days ago, and it's a really nice, pretty, subtle pinkish color for your cheeks. So this is a $26 value. I think it works really nice. It is the end of my day. I just got off of work, so I'm filming this now. I did put a little bit more of the blush on, but it did last for most of the day. I ended up having to redo some of my makeup because I was working today, so I didn't want to look completely terrible. But I think that Wonder Beauty's products actually last a long time on my face. So I'm not disappointed with this palette at all. So I think it's a great palette, and this is a value of $26 if you picked it up. All right, moving on to the next product. It's from The Rock, and it's the Pro Prime Mascara. I am not a fan of this mascara. As you can see in the demo, it did nothing for my lashes. I tried to build it up a couple of times. I think the wand itself, because it's so separated out, the bristles are so far apart that it doesn't do much for my lashes. I have very minimal lashes up there, and I have to really pack on mascara to get them to look like I have lashes, and this doesn't do anything for me at all. As you can see, I ended up having to go back in with Too Faced Better Than Sex to actually give some lift and some body and some length to my lashes, because this did not work for me. So this is one that I would pass on just because the brush is not good, but I'm sure the formula is good. It's just the brush is not good for me. This is a $24 value if you pick this up. Again, this is going to be a pass for me. I wasn't impressed with this mascara at all. All right, and then the next thing I have is from Pi, and it is a mini hair straightener. I think it's Pi, P-Y-T, Pite? Maybe I'm saying that wrong too. It's a mini hair straightener. It's super tiny. I haven't had a chance to use this yet. I'm excited to give it a try. I'm always looking for new hair straighteners, especially since I cut my hair. My hair used to be super long. If you go back to some of my past videos, you'll see that. But I cut my hair kind of short, and I like to use hair straighteners to curl my hair because it's just so much easier than trying to use a barrel. And so I'm really excited to give this a try and see if this will work well. This is a $75 value, which doesn't surprise me. It's a hair straightener. They're expensive. Let me know if you've given that a try and how it worked out for you. I'm going to try it this weekend and see how it works. And then the last thing I got is, it's a Crime of Beauty weightless portable charger. So this is what it looks like. It has a little plug here on the side. Let me put this down. It has a plug on the side here where you plug in this here and then you charge it, and then you can connect like your phone to it or whatever, just to take it with you if you have to plug in things or charge things on the go. So these are really nice. I used to actually own one of these a long time ago. I don't need it anymore because where I work I can just plug my phone in and not have any worries, but these are good if maybe you're going on a very long car ride and your phone charger doesn't charge in your car. These would be good to have for that. This is a $22 value. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I most likely will use it for something, or one of my kids will use it, but I'm always happy to have it because you never know. Now that I'm saying I don't know what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to be looking for it and probably using it a lot. So we'll see how that works out. Again, that is a $22 value, and I am excited to have it because I haven't had one in a really long time. I also ended up getting just a regular tote bag that says, well, it's not a tote bag, just a regular like a makeup bag that says Glam AF, which is nice. Makeup bags are nice. I don't use them for much of things, but this one is kind of nice because it does have a divider on the inside, which is pretty awesome. You probably can't see that because of the lighting. So let's see what my bag added up to be this month. So this month's bag actually added up to $386. I ended up paying $49.99, I believe. So it's a great value. If you haven't signed up for BoxyCharm yet, there's always a link down in the description. If you sign up right now and you use my code, you end up getting a free gift with them. I just got an email and I believe it's like a primer, like a luminizing primer you'll get if you sign up just to be a part of BoxyCharm and you use my code. If you don't want to use my code, just go onto their website and sign up and start enjoying what BoxyCharm offers every month. So that is my video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about BoxyLuxe or BoxyCharm at all. Leave it down in the descriptions. I will see you guys sometime next week, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Bye!